Welcome to BrightiBox, where school topics are brightly explained. Today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. Let's go. Are both these fractions the same? Does your teacher say 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 are the same? Have you wondered why they are? Let's find out. Imagine you have a paper strip. You cut the strip into 2 equal halves. You paint one strip green and the other strip red. Now what fraction of the strip is painted green? Let's remember what we learned earlier. The numerator tells us what we're measuring. In this case, we're measuring the parts that are painted green. How many parts are painted green? 1. Great job. Now, the denominator tells us the total number of equal parts. Can you count how many parts there are altogether? 1 and 2. Well done. So, the fraction of the paper that's painted green is 1 over 2, or 1/2. Let's imagine we make 2 more cuts, one on the green strip and one on the red strip. Now, we have 4 equal strips of paper. So the question is, what fraction of the paper is painted green? Let's count the green pieces together. 1 and 2. So, how many parts are painted green? That's right, 2. That gives us our numerator. Now, let's count the total number of pieces. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the total number of equal parts, our denominator, is 4. That means the fraction of the paper that is painted green is 2 over 4, or 2/4. Even though one says 1 over 2 and the other says 2 over 4, they both show the same amount of green. That's why we call them equivalent fractions. The numbers may look different, but the fraction of the paper painted green stays the same. So now we've clearly seen that 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 both show the same amount, half of the whole. Different numbers, same value. Let's look at another fun example, to understand equivalent fractions even better. Remember our friend Rosie? She's just come home from school feeling super hungry. Her mom's made a delicious pizza. Assume the pizza was cut into 2. Rosie wastes no time. She eats half of it. Can you point to the half of the pizza Rosie gobbled up? Well done. So, what fraction of the pizza did Rosie eat? She ate 1 out of the 2 slices. How do we show that as a fraction? Can you guess? That's right, it's 1 over 2. Now imagine the pizza is cut into 4 equal slices. Rosie still eats half of it, just like before. Can you point out which pieces she ate? Great job. Now, think about it. What fraction of the pizza did she eat this time? How would we write that as a fraction? Any guesses? First, how many pieces did she eat? Count with me. 1 and 2. So the numerator, the number of pieces Rosie ate, is 2. Next, let's count the total number of slices. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That gives us the denominator, which is 4, the total number of pieces. So the fraction of the pizza Rosie ate is 2 over 4, or 2/4. Now think about it. Depending on whether the pizza was cut into 2 pieces or 4 pieces, the fractions we wrote were different. 1 over 2 and 2 over 4. But did the amount of pizza Rosie ate change? No. She ate the same, half the pizza. That means both 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 show the same amount of pizza. They're just different ways of writing the same thing. We call these equivalent fractions. And just like that, you've learned all about equivalent fractions, different numbers, same value. Great job, keep practicing, and you'll be a fraction superstar in no time. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Want to test your skills? Head over to BrightiBox.com for free practice papers and fun challenges. Until next time, keep learning, keep shining.